Let me show you how to use micro SD memory cards with your Samsung Galaxy A57. So first, when it comes to negatives, compared to the older versions of this phone, we actually do not get a micro SD memory card slot, which is absolutely ridiculous. So if you pop out your SIM card tray, you will see you have space for SIM card number 1 on one side and also SIM card number 2. However, no micro SD memory card slot, which is absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. But if you still want to use micro SD memory cards or even regular SD cards, then you simply need to get adapter like this. So you see, for example, it's extremely tiny one, or also in this one you can even insert the larger SD cards. So for example, on this one I will take my memory card and simply slide inside like this. So you see just how tiny this thing is, and then we can plug it in or Type-C port. Okay, so you'll see it's start to work, and then on this corner over here you should see a prompt that USB storage is added. So you can click here to access it, or also you can go in your Samsung folder, click in the My Files, and also we can access the USB storage here, as you see. So I have my all files here. Then if you want to transfer something to the memory card, so for example, let's go in the images. So if I want to transfer some photos, I will first simply select the photos I want to transfer, click either move or copy, and then over here on the top, simply select the USB storage, and either you can select one of the folders you have on your memory card, or also click here to create a new one. So create it, go in the folder and copy here. So you see the files got copied. Also we can see them over here. And then once you're done, you can remove your card. So there's nothing much else to do really. But yeah, in my opinion, so it's absolutely ridiculous they have actually removed the micro SD memory card slot from these. I think the last one that had was the A55. So if you still need one, I think that phone has one still. Okay, good luck.